Hey everyone, talking about leather by commodity. The notes in this are leather, akigalawood, and labdanum, along with potentially some other stuff, but those are like the main official ones listed. This is a nice, rich leather scent, very true to form, but also I think more interesting than a lot of leather scents. There's definitely an animalic side, there's deep woods, there's nuances of like cocoa, and then this incense like smokiness that comes in by the dry down. Also, this kind of cozy, well rounded balsamic vibe. I don't tend to be a big fan of when things are super balsamic, but I think it's just the right touch here. I think this smells way higher quality than the price that it was sold at. It's discontinued. I don't remember exactly what it was sold at, but people talk about getting this for like $35 at TJ Maxx. So, yeah, leans masculine to my nose and has moderate to good longevity. Yeah, if you like leather, I highly recommend trying this. You can get, as of right now, Sephora and maybe even the commodity site still sell the archive sampler pack or whatever that has this in it. Man, I wish they didn't discontinue this. Yeah, it's really good. And yeah, I'll link in the description where you can check that out.